welcome to another exciting video on Trading Kernel. In this video we're going to be looking at the Forex Intrepid indicator trading system for MT4. Okay, it's a trading system that includes some set of indicators that helps provide you with valuable entry and exit points in the Forex market. It's most profitable during a trading period, and as long as you trail your stop with the downtrend ceiling floor. Okay, so tradingkernel.com. okay, so you go to I'm going to be dropping this link in the description. It's just $10. Okay, you can pay with PayPal and other payments options. All right, so once you do that, you just go to your account folder, navigate to your downloads folder, and then you download it here. Right, so once you do that, you extract the zip file and you navigate over to your terminal. Once you do that, go to file, click on open data folder. All right, so click on MT4, and once you do that, you copy the indicators in the indicators folder into this indicator folder here. Okay, and once you do that, you go back to your you go to templates, and then you paste the template in here. All right, so once you do that, you can cancel out of here. You right click on your mouse, you go to templates, and then you go to load templates. Okay, and then you load the template. So once you do that, you click on open. You can see it has been loaded to the screen. So guys, this indicator system consists of 3 indicators. The first one is the Intrepid currency meter that helps you identify the strength of currencies. So right here we can see that the Audi JPY is really bullish and the GBP USD is bearish. Okay, so it can help you identify the strength of currencies as well as to trade in the direction of the momentum of the market. Okay, so the second one is the Intrepid symbol changer that helps you navigate through currency pairs without having to open the chart from your symbol file. Okay, so that's for the Intrepid symbol changer. It's quite easy. The dashboard is quite beautiful as well. So the third one is the trend direction, the Intrepid trend direction indicator. It gives you valuable buy and also floor and ceiling indicators of the current trend direction. So over here you can see that this is a sell signal. In the moment, I'm going to be opening this on strategy tester so you can actually see how it works in real time. But over here you can see that we had a sell signal here on the 1 hour time frame on Audi USD. Okay, so you can see we had a sell signal here, and you can see this red line here is the trend ceiling. Okay, and this one is the trend floor. All right, so in a moment, in a week or so, we're going to build actually an expert system that actually takes signals from this indicator. But right now, this is a sell signal, and once you enter here, right, you can trail your stop with this floor signal, or let's say some pips away from this floor signal, while you set your take profits some pips away from this floor signal as well. This is a ceiling signal and this is a floor signal. Okay, so we also had a buy indicator here on this direction over here. Okay, so your buy signal here, you set your stop loss a few pips trailing below the floor signal. Okay, while you set your take profits a few pips above your ceiling signal. Okay, so like I said earlier, the indicator system is most profitable during trading conditions, and here is why. So if you can maximize this out, you can see that when the market is trending downwards, we tend to make the most profits, okay, from the EA as well. As you can see that we tend to make the most profits from it. Okay, so if we had a sell order here, you can see that we would have made neatly about 990 pips, right? If we also had a sell order here, would have neatly made about 1,000 pips or so. All right, so that's how it works for the Intrepid indicator system. It's available on Trading Kernel. I'm going to be dropping this link in the description below. All right guys, so I'm quickly going to load this on strategy tester so you can actually see how it works in real time. Okay, so I'm going to go to strategy tester. I'm going to click on I already have the indicator up for Euro USD. I'm going to use a 1 hour time frame. Okay, so I'm going to start this out. Okay, be sure to use it on a higher time frame. Okay, like the 30 minutes, the 1 hour, the 4 hours. Okay, you can also use to scalp the market as well, but we are going to work on the expert to see how profitable it is in real-time trading. Okay, so I'm going to go to chart so it's more visible. Okay, I'm going to click on here. You can see we had a buy signal here, right? see we had the buy signal now. We trailed here and we could take profit out of here. That's some good pips. Okay, we also had the sell signal here as well. We had the buy signal, we had the sell signal here as well. You can see we can trail our stop down to here. These some nice pips here. Okay, we also had the buy signal here. We got stopped out definitely. We got a sell signal here that can trail us down a little bit. You can see the current market direction is downtrend, because you can see lower highs and lower lows. Okay, so the sell signal is more accurate, so you can see we got some nice few pips here as well. Okay, it helps us identify these points in the market, right? So you can see we had a buy signal here, got few pips along the line, and then we also had a sell signal. You can see this is more of like a retracement, okay, back to the roof, and then we are going back down. Okay, we had a sell signal here. We took some pips here, a good amount of pips here as well. So you can see we had a buy signal here. There's also a retracement, right? So a sell signal here. You can see we are getting some nice few pips as we are trailing our stop down. Okay, so here had some nice few pips. We had a buy signal here. You can see a buy signal. We're broken out from these retracements. Okay, so we are starting a new trend as well. You can see we took some nice few pips here as well. Okay, had a sell signal here, looks like more of like a retracement, right? And then we are going up. I have a buy signal again as well, so you can see we are taking for some nice few pips along the way as we are trailing our stop, as well. Okay, with this floor line indicator. Okay, so we are trailing our stop as well. We got stopped out some nice few pips along the way. We had a sell signal here. Okay, so that's how the indicator works. Okay, it gives you valuable buy and sell signals, and we're gonna provide an expert system for this indicator really soon. I believe I've seen that a lot of times because it's actually ready. We are currently testing it. So let's see how it goes, guys. At Trading Kernel, we provide you with optimized trading systems that can help improve your trading strategy and as well as your trading system. Okay, if you're new here, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up as well. It helps improve this channel as well as the outreach of this channel. Okay, so I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.